Kick-ass facts? Miscellaneous. Pew, 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 pew! The collar on men's dress shirts used to be detachable. This was to save on laundry costs because the collar was the part that needed cleaning most frequently. Your tonsils can grow back if there was enough tissue left behind during the removal process. Sometimes it's accidental, other times it's left on purpose. Why have all dogs been banned from Antarctica since April 1994? A, concerned that the dogs might spread disease to seals. B, the temperatures are too cold. C, researchers on Antarctica won't be able to properly care for the dogs. Or D, importing food and medicine would be too expensive. The correct answer is A, concern about disease. In 2016, a student left a pineapple in an art museum in Scotland. 2 days later, it had been placed in glass as part of an exhibition. Some cat breeds called puppy cats are bred specifically to exhibit dog-like behavior. I will take a dozen. Hackers uncovered a flaw in Hotmail security in 1999, which allowed access to any Hotmail account by entering AEH, very Canadian, as the password. This crippling flaw was deemed to be the most widespread security incident in the history of the web. That was 1999. The group that took responsibility for the flaw's exposure, known as Hackers Unite, claimed that they didn't want to destroy anything by leaking it, but rather wanted to draw seemingly much-needed attention to Microsoft's failing security systems. Tickling has been divided into two types. Nismesis refers to light, feather-like tickling, and gargalesis refers to harder, laughter-inducing tickling. What's the kind that makes you want to pee yourself and punch everybody in the face? February was named for the Roman word februm, which means purification. It was one of the last months to be added to the Roman calendar because they didn't have months in wintertime. February used to be the last month of the year, which is why it has the shortest number of days. At one time, February was only this many days long. A, 18, B, 20, C, 21, or D, 23. Correct answer is D, 23. Tyromancy is the practice of predicting the future with cheese. When I eat a lot of cheese, I can predict the future too. I see constipation in your future, unless you're lactose intolerant. Shoe stores used to use x-ray machines to measure shoe sizes in the 1940s before the risks of x-rays were fully understood. Because of the 4 stages of the water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection, water falling as rain today may have previously fallen as rain days, weeks, or months, or even years before. If the sun exploded, we wouldn't know for a few minutes. Light from the sun takes a few minutes to reach the earth, which is the same amount of time it would take us to notice changes in the sun. How many minutes? A, 6 minutes and 45 seconds, B, 8 minutes and 18 seconds, C, 9 minutes and 4 seconds, or D, 10 minutes and 33 seconds. The correct answer is B, 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Female ferrets mature sexually at 4 to 6 months of age. When they go into heat, they will stay in heat until they breed. However, prolonged estrogen increase may lead to aplastic anemia, which can lead to their death.